Welcome back to this week's Better Health in 90. I'm Katherine Kirchhoff, Director of Kinetic Health here at Apex Benefits. February is American Heart Association Month, and today we're going to celebrate by making a heart-healthy smoothie recipe. We will just need about 2 handfuls of fresh spinach, coconut water. I'm going to go ahead and add a Greek yogurt today just to add some protein. 1 medium orange. It calls for half a banana, but I'm going to go ahead and use a whole one. And then frozen mango chunks, along with a little bit of honey, and then about a cup of ice, half a cup of ice. So first what you're going to do is add your spinach, your coconut water or your preferred liquid, about a cup. Your honey, it calls for a teaspoon. I'll eye this as well. And then add your yogurt. And we're gonna take this over to the blender and mix it. Then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. Our orange, mango, and our banana. We're gonna mix this up and continue to add ice until we get the consistency that you like. So you can drink this as a smoothie, but another awesome option is a smoothie bowl. And a great thing about the smoothie bowl is you can just add all of your favorite toppings. I like to add granola, fresh fruit, frozen fruit's another great option. And I also like to add a little bit of almond butter. I'll mix it up and enjoy for a nice, healthy breakfast. Thanks for joining this week's Better Health in 90. See you next time.